Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Afzal and welcome to our phonics lesson. So today it is day 2 of looking at the sound, which is, what is it everybody? Well done, it's the V sound. Can you say that? V, V. Well done. Did you remember it from yesterday? Have you been practicing it? Excellent, well done. Now, before we get on to our phonics lesson, we'll do a nice little game. Okay, so I am going to give you some clues, okay, and you have to guess what I'm thinking about, okay? So, I am thinking of an animal, and the first sound in the word is okay, so I'm thinking of an animal that begins with the letter sound k, k, k. What animal do you think it is? K, k, k. I heard somebody say cat. Cat. You're right, well done. It is cat. Let's do another one. Okay. I'm thinking of an animal that begins with the sound p, p, p. So this animal begins with the sound p, p, p. P, p, p. I heard somebody say pig. Pig, pig. You're right, well done. I was thinking of pig. Right, let's do one more. I'm thinking of an animal that begins with the sound d, 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 d. Dog. Well done. God, you're so good at this. Well done. The word dog begins with d, 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 d. Fantastic. Well done. Right. Let's have a look at some of the sounds that we have learnt so far, okay? So, everybody, tell me what sound this makes. Well done. It makes the t, 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 t sound. Can you do that? T, 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 t. What sound is this? Excellent. It makes the sound. Your turn again. Fantastic, well done. Now, what sound is this? Learned it not so long ago. J, 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 j. J, 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 j. Well done. And everybody, what sound is this? Have a think. Shout it out to me. Well done. It's I, 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 I. I, 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 I. Fantastic. Excellent. Right, I'm going to put those down. Okay. Now, do you remember our sound story from yesterday? So our sound was V. Well done. And he is called Vic. Vic. Can you say that? Vic. And Vic drives his, what is this? Van. Well done. So Vic drives his van. And the sound is V. Excellent, well done. Maybe you could make your own sound story using some words. I'd love to see them. Now, I have got a plate, okay, with the sound V on. And in my basket over here, which it's down here so you won't be able to see it, we're only going to put things that begin with V on here, okay? So, I have got a picture of some lovely jam. Can I put the picture of jam on my plate with the V sound on? Jam. I can't, no, so I'm going to put that down. I have got some gorgeous, juicy vegetables. Vegetables. Can I put the picture of the vegetables on my plate with the V sound? Vegetables. I can, well done, because vegetables begins with V. So I'm going to put that on my plate here. Let's have a look. Get some blue tack and we can stick these down actually. Okay, so let's have a look. What about the picture of the vampire? Vampire. Can I put that picture on my plate with the V sound on? Vampire. I can, well done. So I'm going to stick that on my plate. Let's see what else we've got. Got a picture of some jeans. Jeans. Can I put that picture on my plate with the V sound on? It's a bit tricky, isn't it? Oh, I can't, because jeans begins with j, and we are looking at the sound V. So I better put that down. Oh, let's have a look. Ooh. This is a picture of a vest. Vest. Can I put the picture of the vest on my plate with the V sound on? I can. Well done. Vest begins with V. Well done. Let's do another one. So I have got a picture of, what is it, everybody? Well done. It's a van. Van. Can I put the picture of the van on my plate with my V objects? Van. I can, well done. So I'm going to put that there. So all of these things on my plate begin with the sound V. Can you say that? V. Excellent. Thank you, children, for helping me do that. Okay. Now, we're going to read some words, okay, and our lovely little friend, who is Cassie the pig, is going to help us read these sounds, okay? So, maybe you can help her as well, okay? So, can you see Cassie? Okay, are you ready? Okay, I'll press the sound button and then you can say the sound. Are you ready? Okay. She's very quiet. Okay. V. I. Vim. Is she right? Give her a clap. Yay, well done. Oh, she's giving herself a clap as well. The word was vim. Well done. Let's see, Cassie, if you can read this word, okay? So I'll press the sound button and you can say the sound. Are you ready? Okay. Vam. Is she right? Yay! Oh, look, she's giving herself another clap. It is van. Well done, Cassie. You are so clever. Fantastic. Right, let's see if she can read this word. Do you know, I don't think she can read this word. I think it's hard. Are you going to have a go, Cassie? Yeah. Let's see if she gets it right. Are you ready? So I'll press the sound button. You say the sound. Verb. Is she right? Does it say verb? It does! Well done, Cassie. You are so clever. Excellent. We've got one more word. And then we can give Cassie a fantastic cheer if she gets it right. Are you ready, Cassie? Oh, she's ready. Let's see. Vet. Is it the word vet? Vet. She's right. Well done, Cassie. Oh, she is so clever, isn't she? Cassie, can you tell everybody the sound that was at the beginning of all of those words? Woo! Ooh. Woo! Can you help Cassie say it? Woo. Woo. Excellent. Well done. Oh, and Cassie, thank you for helping us with our phonics. So, children, I want you to have a look after this lesson to see what work you need to do, okay? And until then, we are going to say bye. Bye, everybody. Bye, Cassie. Bye, Cassie. Bye.